wiki, make it lit.
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and we looking real summertime fine. You know, I had to end the summer with a bang, so I decided to give you guys a hair transformation video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I got this bright yellow ombre. This is what the wig looks like. I will insert footage from my phone so that way you guys can see throughout the video that it is not this bright, because I'm looking at the viewfinder and I'm like, bitch, this looks like fucking sunburst yellow. Is that the name of this shade? It's definitely a lot more toned down, and the yellow is not as bright as you see on camera. So yeah, I will probably insert a picture right here so that way y'all can see what it's really looking like in person. But it still look cute though. Imagine if it was really this bright, it would be lit. But yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you how I got this ombre. I haven't done an ombre, you guys, in a while, and I'm like in ombre mode. At first I was like into solid colors, and right now I'm like, okay, I'm feeling this ombre a lot. I also did post a picture in this shirt, you guys, and so many people were asking me where my Dragon Ball Z shirt was from, and I got this shirt from Forever 21 like last year. It was a while ago, so I'm not sure if they still have it. But if you guys are wondering where this top is from, for my Dragon Ball Z fans, I know y'all bitches be watching it with y'all boyfriend, okay? Y'all not low. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this super cute ombre, then y'all already know what to do. Definitely keep on watching. But before you go, you better hit that subscribe button, okay? But yeah, thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye. All right, let's get it. So this wig was sent to me by Tinashe hair. I absolutely love this hair. I worked with this brand before, you guys, which is why I'm working with them again. They have really nice quality hair. So when you get your hair or your wig, it comes in this really pretty silky bag, and as you guys can see, it comes with some hair care instructions as well as a netted wig cap, which I do not really use these, but this is good to keep on hand. And it also does come with one of those cute little handheld mirrors that does say Tinashe hair on it, which is so cute. So it does come in a little like Ziploc like this, and it does have the hair information on it. I never really showed like the unboxing process, so I wanted to show you guys like what the hair looks like as soon as you take it out of your package. So it is in a hairnet, and as you guys can see, this is like a body wave. And off rip, as soon as I seen this wig, I was so impressed by the way that they put it in the package. Like, they really do not just throw your wig in there. They really make sure that they mold it that way it stays really nice and it does not get messed up in the mail, which I really appreciate. So as you guys can see, this is 613 hair, which is a really pretty golden blonde color, and this is the cap construction of the wig. It does have an adjustable strap as well as combs, and like I said, this is a body wave. So the first thing I want to go ahead and do is tone out the yellow tones of this hair, because I want this to be a platinum to yellow ombre. So for that, I'm going to be taking my Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. This is not hair dye, you guys. This is a purple shampoo, and if you guys are not familiar with what purple shampoo does, it basically just cancels out all of the yellow tones. I legit been like coloring hair for quite some time now and toning hair literally all the time, so I kind of like know already what the measurements are as far as like the purple toner. I really just eyeball it, but like I said, I've been doing this for a while, so when it comes up to this, I like to really put a lot of water. As you guys can see, even though this is shampoo, I'm not putting this directly on the hair, because the Shimmer Lights is super pigmented and this will stain your hair, or it will turn it kind of like purpley gray, and we're not going for that. We're just trying to tone the yellow out of this blonde hair. So as you guys can see, I'm taking a test strand first in the back of the wig, and I want to make sure that it is going to be the color before you just dunk the whole wig in there. I actually lost the clip of me dunking the whole wig, but you guys seen me tone hair a bunch of times, so literally all I did was dunk it in once or twice, and it gets toned super quick. So as you guys can see, the before and after right here, it went from being a yellowy gold to more of like a white platinum blonde, which is so pretty. And as you guys can see, this Tinashe hair toned amazing, you guys. It did not stain purple or gray or none of that. It was just perfect. So now I'm going in with Becky, which is my foam head. You guys can get these at your local beauty supply store or on Amazon. And I'm actually going to put the wig on the foam head just so we can see more or less like where we want the ombre to be. And if you don't have any T-pins, make sure you have some on hand because they come super clutch when it comes up to literally like molding the damn wig on the foam head. So that way it's not going to move. And I also did secure the back. So now I did just brush the wig out. I want to make sure that there's no knots or anything like that. And this gets colored really, really nice and even. So as you guys can see, once the hair is wet, it does not have a curly texture or anything. It actually like looks pretty straight, which is pretty nice. So for the hair color, I am going for the Kiss Express hair color in the shade Electric Yellow. And I did attempt to do the watercolor method with the yellow, but you guys, it was a fail. I want to let that be clear right now. Do not even waste your time. As you guys can see, I did use a little bit of water when trying to do the watercolor method. But as you guys can see, as soon as I rinsed it out, it was like so faded and it was not bright at all. Like it really, really did not do much. You got to remember that my camera picks up everything, but in person this shit literally looked like it really did nothing. So now I'm gonna have to old school it and just paint this shit on by hand. So as you guys can see, the hair is damp, so the color is gonna spread super quick and even. So it makes coloring a lot easier that the hair is already wet. It's just my preference. But as you guys can see, literally all I did was just lay the hair out flat and begin to paint on the Electric Yellow color. Since I'm not doing section by section, this is like a lazy girl method. You want to make sure that you're moving the hair to get all in between the cracks and crevices. That way you do not miss any spots when trying to put the yellow on. So like I said, keep opening up the wig and making sure that you're getting all of the pieces of the hair. Because I'm telling you, it happened to me a bunch of times. I did not open it and then it was so blotchy. You also want to make sure that you're doing the underneath of the hair because like I said, just because you painted the top does not mean that it is saturated at the bottom. So make sure you flip that bitch over and make sure you get the bottom real good. At first I was just going to leave it as a ombre, but this is the part where I decided to just take out two sections in the front, like where my middle part will be, and I did just bring the ombre up a little bit higher in these front sections. And I decided to do this, well, today I decided to keep the wig straight, but I decided to do this that way when you do curls, it actually like frames the face with a little bit of yellow, which looks so pretty. So if you guys know what I'm talking about, this is called the money shot. So this is basically when you take the two strands of hair and you just add some color in the front. So as you guys can see, the hair is all ombre in the back, but in the front it does have the two highlights like I was talking about, the money shot. And like I said, it looks okay when it's straight, but it looks poppin' when you curl the hair. So this is the part when I had to switch the footage to my phone because as you guys can see in the last clip, the yellow was looking way too bright. So I wanted to show you guys a video from my phone, and this is like true to color. This is exactly what it looks like in person. Excuse my laundry bag, girl, because a bitch just did laundry. But yeah, so yeah, as you guys can see, it is not that bright. And those roots, girl, oh my god, that platinum blonde looks so good. Oh my gosh, I love the way that this came out. So I did go ahead and straighten it. It is nice and pressed out, and now I'm just gonna quickly install it. As you guys can see, she looking real poppin'. So even though this wig is a body wave wig, as you guys can see, it straightened out so nicely. This hair is literally pin straight, and I'm letting you know right now, not all of my body wave wigs can do that. Some body wave wigs cannot get super straight, so I really appreciate the fact that this wig could literally give me two different styles. I could wear it pin straight one day and then curly the next day, which I love. As you guys can see, that lace is melted, girl, and I had to fix up these brows real quick because they was looking a little bit too dark, girl. But I am feeling myself high key, and I really haven't did an ombre in a minute, so I was just like, girl, yes. So I'm just gonna pin this hair back and I'm just gonna beat this face for the gods. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please leave me down a comment below and let me know what color you think I should do next. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye.
Do that.